So hello guys, our next topic in this video in this lesson is about the PHP switch statement. No? So pag sinabi natin PHP switch statement, so this is used to select one of the many blocks of code to be executed. So let us give you an example, okay? So this is also almost similar with the if else statement. So again, instead of using age, okay, let us try to create a new variable. Let's name this fruit, okay? Then ang value nito is for example apple, okay? So ang value niya is apple, okay? In here ilalagay na natin yung ating switch function. We just simply write switch, tapos ang parameter niya is, ang sunod niya ay is an open and close parenthesis. So ito yung kanyang parameter, okay? So let me just check if I wrote the correct syntax. No? Okay, so next we write the condition in here. Usually a condition dito is in the form of a variable. No, so in this case, no, we write the variable fruit. No, next, ang sunod na line of statement is yung ating case na. Okay. Case, then column, okay? So usually, anong nangyayari dito class, marami tayong cases dito. Tapos yung value ng case dito ay i-compare sa value itong variable na nasa sa loob ng parameter nitong ating switch function. Pag tumugma, then the next line of code will be executed. Then, pwede lagay dito u like orange. Ito muna for example, the first case statement is orange. No, if the value of the case is text, then we enclose the text in a double quotation mark. No, so orange. Kung halimbawa naman ang value ng case is integer, we enclose it with an integer. We do not need to enclose it. Next, the correct syntax of switch is the echo should be followed by a break statement. No? So, ginagamit tong break para hindi magtuloy-tuloy ang ating program sa mga susunod na switches. Sa susunod na cases. So, next we have case, another case. This time we have banana. Okay? Banana. If the value in this case is similar to the value in the variable here, then ito yung i-execute. Itong case na ito yung i-execute. Okay. Then we echo out u like banana. Okay. Don't forget the semicolon. Break. Then we have let's say we have another case. Dito ilagay natin apple, okay? Echo you like apple. Then finally class, we put break. No? Kung halimbawa naman wala sa mga cases na ito yung value na which is comparable to, kung halimbawa class wala yung value nitong fruit sa mga available values offered by these cases, then ang ilalagay natin is the default function, meaning ito yung next line of code after the default function will be executed kasi wala sa mga ito Kung halimbawa yung value nitong variable na ito is not among the values included in our switches, in our case structures, no, then ang i-execute ng program is yung line of code that is next to this default function. So echo, ngayon natin for example say, what fruit do you really want? Okay. Then finally we end it with let's see, default. Okay. So I guess that's the last code, no? So ito yung ating proper syntax of the switches, no? Initially, nag-declare tayo, naglagay tayo ng value apple to our variable fruit. We use the variable fruit as the condition in our switch function. We use several cases and placed several values to those cases, no? and those values in the cases will be compared to the value of the switch of the variable which is used as a value, as a parameter to our switch function. Okay, so ang mangyayari dito, since ang value ng case 1 is orange, which is not equal to the value of fruit, hindi ito ang execute, no? Banana, the next case, banana is not also equal to the value of our variable fruit, which is apple, no? Since the third case is equivalent with the value of our switch statement, no? Ito yung line of code na i-execute. Okay? So, let's save it. Kaya pagka atin refresh siya, okay, we have an error. Ano kaya yung error natin? Okay, let's see. Switch case default. Switch case. Ano kaya yun? Let's see here. Okay, break case. Okay, I see now. Nakita ko na. So, instead of writing the column here, no, dito pala natin lalagay yung column. So, baliktad. Okay, so another thing, nakalimutan natin lagyan dito, no? Sa column here again. So, if we save, I hope na wala na tayong error. Okay, you like apple. Okay, so that's it for our video about our lesson about the switch statement, no? So, I will see you guys in the next video for our next topic.